Hey Rockstars, it's Lid Sean here. It's NAMM 2025 and I'm hanging out with Mitch Rose at the Z&H audio booth. How you doing, Mitch?
So good, Lid. Thank you for stopping by.
So let's take a look. What are you guys doing here? What is all this?
Cool, so we're doing a bunch of vintage recreations of famous gear. Over here we have our 500 series rack, and we've got a 4-band version of a Sontec ME. It's called our V250. It's a MEP
right
250.
there, the silver ones right there?
Yeah, these ones here.
And that's basically the 500 version of like the full-size Sontec here. It's getting crowded over here, so I got to do the angle.
Yep, exactly.
Amazing.
Exactly right. And then we've also got a V560, the one here, which should look very familiar to people familiar with the API 560s. All the same topologies, circuit-wise, that you'd expect. This has input, balanced input with transformer, and then to a op-amp stage and output transformer like you'd expect. All that classic, punchy sound you'd expect.
And you guys have, I'm going to be able to listen to some kicks and snares through that in a little bit.
Oh yeah,
right?
you definitely should.
All right, I'm looking forward to that, yeah.
Absolutely.
All right, very cool. And then what are these guys with the colorful faces and
these
the nice
ones?
meters and everything?
Yeah, so they should look real familiar. They're that famous American console style preamp. The 312, I guess, with output attenuation as well. They come in different faceplates, but these are all the same, exact same sort of preamp topology you'd expect from that American kind of preamp console sound.
Yeah.
With, once again, transformer input coupled with a op-amp and transformer output stage. So
awesome.
Exact same classic discrete components, hand-wired, hand-built. Yeah.
Very
Awesome
cool.
quality.
And then on the end there, what do you got?
That's
the little 9K?
That's a little secret. That's a secret one. We're not talking about that one.
Okay,
yeah.
we're not talking about that one.
But it'll be out soon. It's a prototype. Yeah.
All right, cool.
But everyone can guess what it is, I think.
And then what else have we got? We got multi-channel mic pre's. Is that what that is?
So the H08 is our clean, maybe a GML style kind of op-amp gain 8-channel preamp. So it looks maybe like another manufacturer with the red, but it's not that. It's a different 8-channel preamp. So very clean, amazing on orchestral stuff. If you're looking for a clean, transparent, lots of gain, that's the go-to. The H02 is a bit different from this one. Same kind of input stage, but then we have an op-amp and transformer coupled output on that as well. So more saturation on this one on the H02s.
All right, very cool.
Yeah. So Z&H Designs have their own website where you can check out this stuff, or you can actually check out my YouTube, shameless plug.
Awesome.
The DIY recording studio, where I've got lots of demos of all this hardware and stuff as well.
All right, cool, dude. Well, here, I'll do a lefty shake.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing
so much,
up,
man.
Cheers. Thanks for watching, Rockstars.